Hi guys, short video here about this ULANZI neck holder mount. It's its second generation, so it's called Go Quick 2. I've seen this from another brand, but it didn't really convince me because it looked very weak and then the camera flipped down. So I was looking for a similar thing in better quality, and since I liked ULANZI, I was looking there and I found this neck holder mount. And so let's take it out of the box, see what we get. And already when we take it out here, we can definitely feel that's really strong, sturdy, sophisticated, absolutely awesome quality. By the way, this is not a sponsored review. I paid full price, but this thing is absolutely amazing. Watch this stuff here. That's somehow stable, but not too stable, so you can easily bend it, but it stays quite hard here. Yeah, absolutely awesome material. And so of course it comes also with a GoPro mount here. That's the thing which you have to use. The front part looks like the same as with a normal GoPro mount, but in the back here it has a magnet, has a special lock here. So let's see how this works. For example, with this DJI Action 4 camera, of course we need to add the magnetic holder with the standard GoPro mount adapter, and then we put it like that and use the screw from the side. I mean, the screw of course is also standard GoPro. You can use any other screw, even metal screw. And then we have to add it here. We align it something like that, like vertically, and then we can rotate this, I think about 90 degrees, and then we can wrap it around our neck and then we push it inside from the left side. I mean, the hole is pretty large. You don't really have to look down. You just push down without pressing the lock or unlock button, but of course you can use the unlock button here. I mean, to release we have to use the unlock button, that's this button here, but to add it we don't have to use this button. But of course it's a little bit easier when you push this button at the same time. And then we have it here. We can flip up the camera and we can see it has now a really solid hold compared to the versions from other brands which are super weak, more like a normal strap, where then the camera is flipping down. Here that's not going to happen. You can see that's super solid here. No matter what you do, the camera will always be like that. So if you're recording a lot outside, maybe walking around, and then you have to use your both hands, you can't hold your camera and don't want to use a tripod all the time. I think that's an absolute awesome solution for that. And so I've been shooting a quick video using that, totally hands-free, and it worked absolutely awesome. Of course, it's a little bit thicker and heavier than a normal strap, but it has to be like that when you want to have a really stable connection. Of course, you can feel that a little bit, but it's definitely not terrible. You could even walk like that for hours, absolutely no problem. And of course, let's also make a sound test here very close. I've been a little bit worried about if it's too close when I'm not using a microphone. I mean, this is just a microphone for the normal camera. That's not the microphone for the DJI Action 4. And so I'm playing here the original sound from the DJI, so you know what to expect. Of course, you can always improve that with an external microphone. And I think also the price is right. It's listed for around $20 on Amazon with all the discounts. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this camera holder, and just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.